Look what we got. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, Tudia sent over the Dual Shield Tudia merged uniquely designed protective case for the Pixel 5a. You can pick this up for $12.90 in the link below. That link is to Amazon, $12.90, and currently right now you can save an extra 5% off when you apply a 5% off coupon, so a little less than $12.90. So without further ado, this is what you're gonna get when you buy your case. Typical packaging. They do have other colors. I am going to just unbag this. You can see this color and show you the rest of the cases. So this is a dual layer clicky button military grade, certified to meet exceeded military standard H10G drop test standards. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbag this and take a look at this case. Now, the case you're looking at right now, it is the blue one, but you can get it also in hunter green, indigo blue, matte black, metallic slate, and a rose gold. So without further ado, this is a two-piece layer, so you do have a hard plastic shell outer protector like so, and a soft CPU in the inside, so you can go ahead and clip this bad boy back on. I actually like this blue. I don't know, I am fond of this color here. Let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 5a and insert it into the case, and right out the back, just nice and snug. Look at that, no play on the round the lip. And talking about the lip, we do have lip protection all around that front screen of the Pixel 5a, and we also have lip protection on the back here. You can see the camera is in there, and the outer edge of the case recesses way over the camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back or on its face on a flat surface. The screen is not going to get scratched, and your camera lenses are not going to get scratched either. You do have a cutout here for the fingerprint reader, and it's nice and accessible. Nice. And you do have like this divot here, so it kind of guides your finger right into the fingerprint reader. So if it's in the pocket and you want to unlock it before you even take it out of your pocket, you can go ahead and easily slide that finger right into the cutout there with no issues. The buttons, they say they're nice and clicky, and they are nice and clicky just like they stated, and they are 100% covered, so they're going to have no issues with the buttons or the function of the buttons. The case is not going to interfere with that at all. On top, we do have that mic cut out nice and precise, as well as that headphone jack. We have a headphone jack, and let's see if this reaches. It is, there you go. It does not interfere with headphone jacks, so the case, plenty of room around your headphone jack cut out there. On the bottom, it is nice and precise. Your speaker, power, and mic, no issues there. Let's go ahead and grab a Type-C cable and see if it interferes with you plugging in, and look at that, no issues there. This phone does not have wireless charging, so you can't wireless charge, so we are not going to test that. But look at that, dude, it adds some bulk to it. It's very nice and durable. You do have a rigid design here and on this side for added grip. It feels nice in hand. I like this color. It's available in different colors that fit your style or need. Tudia merge case, probably one of my favorite cases for any phone out there. Also affordable, $12.90. it doesn't get better than that. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up. If you have any questions regarding this case, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.